So
This also allows me to bring up one other thing real quick for our complete beginners to the world of programming. See how awesome it is to have an IDE at your fingertips instead of something like Notepad. In Notepad, if you would have typed in system and then type a period, would you have gotten something as cool as that? No. You get nothing. Look at all the color coding you get back over there. How nice. It all means something. Do you get that in Notepad? No. Remember
it,
earlier when you had all the red squigglies, as Nelson called it, and basically the IDE was telling you you just botched something horribly in your program? Basically, you broke it. Do you get that in
which is actually an
Notepad?
example right there.
Yeah, there's a little bitty red squiggly. Does Notepad tell you that you botched something? No. So as you can see, IDE, even if we don't explore all of the awesome tools that it provides us, just at the surface, look how incredible it is as a aid in writing your code. So I just wanted to
Yep.
point that out for our complete beginners.
And it's also good just to bring up Notepad real fast, just to point out that code in C# is truly just text. And you can use Notepad, but obviously we don't want to. My point is, though, is that all code is text. There's nothing magical. Just because Visual Studio is highlighting the word console, that doesn't actually change the way that the C# compiler will read this code.
And writing all
This
your
is what the
oh,
C#
I'm sorry.
compiler sees.
And I was just going to say, and writing all your code in Notepad does not make you leet
No, it does not. It makes you very ineffective and frustrated.
and dumb. Oh, sorry.